You want instant shining, thicker hair, softness, healthy, without chemicals. This homemade spray made my hair grow like never before, and you can make it with a simple natural ingredients. So stay tuned and see how we are going to prepare it. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Now let's move to the video. Okay, we have 5 ingredients here. I have rosemary, lavender, hibiscus and clove plus my cinnamon stick. So what I'm pointing is rosemary. Rosemary is stimulating hair growth, strengthening hair follicles. So using rosemary into your routine is another amazing. It's also regrowing your hair. If you are looking for a way to regrow your hair, rosemary is something that can help you to get it. So let's check and see lavender. What I'm holding right now is lavender. Lavender also is stimulating scalp, reducing dandruff and improving blood circulation to your hair, and also is adding another fragrance to your hair. So using it also is another amazing thing. So what cinnamon, it's also boosting scalp blood flows and supporting hair growth. If you are looking for some ways to grow your hair, these are the natural ingredients that you don't need to put any single joke on those things. And when you check about clove also is having antioxidant. That one I'm holding. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What name did you call it in your mother language? In my mother language, we call it canafri. So clove, that's the English name, clove. So please let me know what you also call it in your mother language. Those clove also is also having antioxidant, rich, reducing shedding and promoting strong roof. So these things, Charlie, let us continue and see. Hibiscus, and also I'm adding hibiscus also inside. Hibiscus also is contain vitamin C and an amino acid, adding thicker and shiny, natural shiny. It also conditioning your hair naturally. So adding these things is another amazing thing. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put hot water. I'm already boiled my hot water. I'm going to put hot water inside and cover it for 1 day. Well, to get a good benefit, please avoid boiling your things, because sometimes you are boiling, the boiling it can reduce all the nutrients. The nutrients you can lost all the nutrients from it. So I prefer to use hot water all the time to infuse my, whether I'm going to use it for racing tea or I'm going to use it for leave-in spray. But this, the one that I'm preparing, we are going to use it in 2 major things, leave-in and racing tea, because tomorrow I'm planning to, 1 week now I didn't wash my daughter's hair, so tomorrow I'm going to wash her hair. So by tomorrow this thing will infuse so that I can use that one also to, after washing I will use it to raise her hair. This is helping us a lot because it's make our hair growing amazing. You know, I'm seeing a big changes from me and my daughter, and I'm so grateful for using, I'm so happy for using those natural things. So now guys, so this is the thing. So you see how the color look. Let's see by tomorrow the color, how the color is going to be. Okay guys, now we are back. This is the next day. Okay, let me open it for you guys. You can see how the color, just go back small and check yesterday when I was the beginning, when I was putting it, how the color was looking. Look at the color now, look at how dark it is now. But no problem, when it's do like this, I'm always diluting it again, because you know, well, before I will use it for racing, you know, I will add another water inside. I'm not going to take it like this and start to do it as a racing tea. I always dilute it with water or hot water even, because now after washing, at least I need the thing to be a little bit warm. So I'm going to dilute it with water, hot water. So now after spraying it like this, the ingredients that I'm going to add, guys, I will add, let me start and tell you guys what I'm going to add. I'll add honey inside. Okay, I'm adding honey. You can see 1 tablespoon of honey that I'm putting inside. Honey also is having natural humanities, adding shining and controlling freezing. So I add 1 tablespoon of honey inside. So this thing, please, if you are looking for a way to grow your hair thicker like mine or like my daughter one, please, these natural things. You don't need to, I think, like, even when you guys are checking in the YouTube street, you may see it. I can testify and tell you guys, yes, I guarantee you people to use this thing for good 1 month by consistency. You yourself, I think you will not stop using it again, because you'll see the big change from your hair. So now after that, honey, I'm adding my infusing oil. Please feel free to check my channel. You'll see those infusing oil, anyone that you want, you prefer to use to infuse the oil, you can do your infusing oil. So after, apple cider vinegar is balancing pH, smoothing cuticles, and also removing buildup from your hair. So I always love to use that one also for my racing, and adding it to my racing tea, and also using it to add maybe 1 tablespoon, or as I do 2 tablespoons inside my leave-in spray. So guys, now after I add that one, the next ingredient is avocado essential oil. Okay, so I'm going to add avocado essential oil. Avocado essential oil, it's also packed with vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, and vitamin E for deep nourishment. Okay, so those vitamins is inside avocado oil. So that one also, I don't joke with it. Anytime when I'm doing my things, you may see me adding it inside. So now the next ingredient also is my rosemary essential oil. It's also hydrating, strengthening, and locking moisture to your hair, and also reducing breaking or shedding. And I'm going to add glycerin. Okay, glycerin, you can add any glycerin for your glycerin that you want. Also, it's just like optional. It's not that one there is optional. You can add, or you can skip that part because you have already put this thing. So this is my vitamin E oil. That one also I'm going to add. Glycerin also is also dragging in moisture, deep hydrating in your hair. So now I added 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also is replacing damaging hair, protecting your hair from breaking if you have damaging hair, or if your ages is not ages and you are doing things. Always try to be adding vitamin E oil into your routine thing. You are going to enjoy it, and you will not regret for using all those things. And my things that I used was an infusing oil. The infusing oil that I used, that one also is hydrating the scalp, nourishing your scalp, and opening the flows from your scalp, because all the time we have to know this: hair is growing from the healthy scalp, and healthy scalp is coming from when you take care of your scalp. Definitely you are going to get the benefit. This spray is make my hair grow like never before. What I have never dreamed about the hair that I'm holding, and I have never dreamed that even one day my daughter's hair will come to be at the point that I'm holding her hair now. So this spray, it's helped us a lot. That's why I decided to bring it out to help others also, those who are looking for a way to grow their natural hair. This spray, don't put any joking on it. How to use it: try to use it at least 3 to 4 times a day. When you apply it, always try to apply your leave-in conditioner again, or your butters, or your oils, liquids. So don't use only this one and leave it like that. Otherwise you may feel like it's dry, your hair is dry, because of the natural ingredients. So all the time when you apply this thing, always remember to add oil or butters into your hair. Don't leave your hair like that, otherwise you will feel like your hair is drying. Okay, always try to apply with butters. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.